Everyone, welcome back to my channel where coding is easy and works recipe of faster than free food in college. Today we are solving a super fun beginner friendly lead code problem with jewels and stones. Now the name sounds so fancy like we are opening a jewelry shop or something but don't worry. Its logic is a super simple and a perfect for beginner. So what is the problem? Our problem statement is we are giving a true string like one jewels and second stones. Jewels tells us which character are the jewels, and stone tells us which stones are we. So our task is to count how many stones are actually jewels. For example, you can see there is a jewels and stones. There is jewels equals to small a and capital A into string, and stones equals to there is a small a, then twice capital A, then four times again small b. So here A is a jewels, right? A is also a jewel. Now check a stone one by one. So small a is a jewels also, so it's right. Capital A, it's also jewels, so it's also right. And then second time capital A, it's also jewels, so it's also right. But the four times B is not a, it's not a jewel, so it's not a, so it's wrong. So the total jewels equals to 3. Now let's understand the logic first, then we have to try to code and then try run and see a time complexity and all. So and also we have to use two loops. First loop goes through every stone, and second loop checks if that stone exists inside the jewels. If both characters match, CPP ID equals to stones I equals to jewels J. Then we increase count, and that's it. Simple and easy. Now firstly we have to write a code and then write. Firstly, int count equals to 0. Then we use it. We have to use a true for loop. So we first for loop int I equals to 0 and I less than 4 and stones from length, then I plus this. Okay, and second for loop is for int j equals to 0, then j less than jewels. Jewels length and j plus plus also. Then we put if condition. If stones of I equals to 12 of j. So count increase also. So count plus this. And we have to return also count. So this is our solution. Check. So both cases are accepted. The first case is small a and capital A. There there is a jewels equals to small a and capital, and stones equals to a small a, then capital A twice and 4 times capital small b. So you can see there is a C and output is 3 because small and capital A are same in both. So in case 2 you can also see there is a Z and there is in the capital Z 2 times. So output is 0. Okay, now let's try to write on code. So basically in this problem A is not equals to capital A. Jewels equals to Z, small z, and stones equals to capital Z. So check Z equals not is double equals to small z. It's not. And second, capital Z is not equals to again small z. So it's not matched. Answer is 0. And our in this code, our time complexity is O(n) into m, because for every stones we check all the jewels, and space complexity is O(1). No extra space used. There is a great beginner problem to practice. There is a string. We have to learn a string, nested loops, character comparisons, and basic coding logic. And trust me, mastering the easy problems like this builds a strong DSA confidence. If you like this video, if this video helps you, like please, and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.